How are you feeling today?
Pretty.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, as Mzansi prepare for AKA's funeral, Julius Malema and his EFF members such as Mbuyiseni Ndlozi went to the Forbes family to pay their last respect. Many people have been worried about KAIRO, AKA's daughter, and guys, Julius Malema also met her and she was in a good state, smiling and convincing she is doing well. In one of DJ's just post, she was asking KAIRO how she feels today or that day, and she responded by saying she is feeling pretty, meaning all is well with her. DJ Zinhle, as a mother, guys, really did a good job. You can tell seeing KAIRO able to smile and talk to people. It shows that she knows that her father is in a better place and her father really loved him. Well guys, it's gonna take time, but this too shall pass. That brings us to the end of this video. To leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.